What's up, YouTube? TCG Enthusiast here, giving you guys random pack openings. So I went to Target today and Walmart. I got some of the Walmart boxes, and they came with some Colossal Warfare, Miraculous Revival, and they came with a few Assault of the Saiyans, which I put to the side. Also went to Target and I picked up a bunch of the event packs they had, which came with Malicious Machinations and just some single blisters. But those event ones came with one of these each, so we'll open those up. Also, Walmart came with 4 dash packs, because I got 4 of them. Oh, I'm sorry, the Malicious Machinations was blisters. The event packs came with Assault of the Saiyans. I believe I have 36 of them here for you guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and open them up backwards. We'll start with the Colossal Warfare. I have a bunch of trash now, so we'll try and do this fast. Alright, SR right off the bat. Triple Flash Super Saiyan 4. Just a Apollo leader. This was a Harudegarn set. Reverse Hollow Goku and a Demiga. Oops. And a Mira. That would have been nice to have a week ago before I bought my last one. Those event packs came in a box like this. 4 booster packs, 1 promo pack, and you can get them at Target. Hollow Baby Leader, nothing there. Hollow Trunks. Another Triple Flash. First Hollow Masked Saiyan and a rare Gohan. So, okay, and let's go ahead and go with Miraculous Revival. Android 17 rare. SS Vegeta rare. Phantom Strike Janemba rare. Can't open this one. Reverse Hollow Togoma. Alright. Janemba Leader. So far, nothing out of Miraculous Revival. Reverse Hollow Inferno Messenger. Hollow Leader. Deadly Defender 18. Last pack of Miraculous Revival. Hopefully we can end with something from this set. Twin Onslaught SS4 Goku. Alright, well there's an SR. Let's move some of this stuff out my way. Alright, guess we can do Assault of the Saiyans next. This is probably going to take the longest of time to do. So let's go ahead and get going. Let's try and do this fast. SS3 Nappa. Champavados. Oh, Vegeta the Cruel. It's a great rare to get. Piccolo SR. And with that, reposition myself here. Hit SR. Brawly SPR, that's a good one right there. That's my second one of those. I already basically spoiled this one. Oh, Reverse Kami, that's great. And a Champa rare. That was actually a nice pack. Vegito. I think I've gotten either a reverse hollow or a SPR every one of these I opened so far. SR, sorry. Khalifa, it keeps going. What if you're guaranteed all SRs from those target packs? Double Sunday, reverse hollow. Tell you what, guys, I like opening packs and all, but when you have a bunch of them, it becomes a job. Oops, skipped everything. Brawly SR and Goku Black Rose. Brawly SS3 Trunks. Also a great rare. Secret Rare Vegito. Oh, wow. That's a great pull right there. Another reversed Kami. Great. I want this card right here, reverse hollow. Oh, I'm getting tired of being sitting down. Brawly. Another Brawly SR. Trunk or Future Gohan Negate. All those negates are really great just to hold on to. Another Vegeta the Cruel and a Xeno Goku. These are great packs. SR Piccolo. I'm getting real tired, guys. Just a rare that time. Probably the first time that's happened. Try to speed this up a little bit. Just a Toa rare. Alright, looks like we're running out of luck now, guys. The secret was the peak of it all. Oh, I saw the Zamasu and I got excited. Wrong one. Champa and a Vegeta grade 8. I'll take the Champa. Great rare. After image hit reverse rare. Beerus rare. Stuff out of my way. Gohan, Son Gohan, Goten, Family Bonds, SPR. So there's still a little bit of nice stuff left in here. And we got about 10 more packs left of this set. Nothing there. Kefla, all too easy. I'm trying to make this fast, guys. I'm running out of some time here. Family Bonds reverse. Nothing there. Beerus. Another Gohan Goten Family Bonds. Broly, 2 packs of Assault of the Saiyans left. Probably just skim through this real quick. Vegeta Last Resort. Alright, nothing. Alright. Well, not nothing, but let's get on to Malicious Machinations real quick. Do this shit fast. I didn't realize how long this video would have been. Heroic Strike. I don't think those are considered SRs in any way. Nothing there, just a reverse. Pan SR. Dark Planet. Dr. Uriel SR. Vegeta. Energy Salvo Vegeta. And Beerus. Vegeta. This set's not that great. Reverse Hollow Baby and a Baby Vegeta 8. Oh, secret rare again! There's almost like probably nothing left in these. Planet. Super Baby 2 SR. Oh, please. 3 more packs of Malicious Machination. Surprised of how much I have of these guys. These are my second one out of 3 boxes. There. Last pack of Machinations, guys. Energy Salvo. Okay. Let's get to these special packs here. Relentless Speed Janemba. Relentless Speed Janemba. Fortune Teller Baba. And a Relentless Speed Janemba. Oh, that's cool. And we got a Bulma Sideline Assistance. We got a Piccolo. Oh, that's why I can't open it. We got a Paragus the Sacrifice. We got a King Kai, Keeper of the Watch. We got a World Beast that's been nerfed. Got another Piccolo. We got a Master Roshi. That's nice. Alright, let's see what we got, guys. Last one. And another Piccolo. Okay, guys. Just a quick recap here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't count those. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 SRs, and 2 secret rares pulled. That's a great haul right there. Thank you for watching, guys.